Namaste. Welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath. Most awaited quiz is there. We will be doing it. I hope you all are doing good. Please be safe, be at home and maintain social distancing, and please do wear mask when you go out. Now let us go into the video and start with the quiz. So before telling that, I would like to appreciate one person who had given in my comment box for this video. The answers were perfectly right. I don't know how the answer, must be quite knowledgeable or very good in pronunciation. I don't know whether it is Mrs. or Mr. It is Manikanta. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. As I've seen there, I thought of pronouncing it, so I don't know whether it's right. But wonderful, excellent job. Now let me go with these words. I had given a little tough words. This is the first one, dough, dough, okay, dough. Now the answer is, okay, dough. There's difference between dough and batter. Okay, dough is something what you make like chapati, roti, parathas and all. You make a dough. Okay, that is a thick one, solid. That is dough. Batter is semi-liquid. It will be a little thicker, and like how you make dosas and idlis and all. No, that is called batter. Now this is dough. The next one, cough. Cough. See, O-U, but then there is difference in the pronunciation. This is dough and this is cough. Off. Okay, aw. Okay, this is father. Okay, now this is fa, ah. Okay, the next one, now here it is gather. Okay, gather. Gather. The next one, I've heard many people saying liter, 2 liters of milk, 1 liter of milk. No, it is not liter, it is liter. Okay, liter. So it is li. Okay, liter, and this is liter. So e. This is liter. The next one, yeah, these are quite easy for you. Sheep. So it is e, and ship is e. Okay, ship is e. The next one, again it's right, e-a-e-e. Still the pronunciation is the same. Cheap. Again you have the e and it is chip. It is e. Now I hope many of you would have guessed it right, and those who have guessed it right, a big clap to all of you. And I had given one app, a learning app, right? Kids learning app. I hope you had watched it or installed and tried it. If you have installed and tried it, maybe it is quite interesting, and maybe it is helpful for many of your kids. So keep trying it. So such kind of apps will really help you all. Now we'll be starting with the 4th row. Okay, we had done with ka varg, cha varg, ta varg. Now we are going to do ta varg. Okay, these are called dental. Okay, dental. We just need to have your tongue tip in between the two, the upper and the lower teeth. That is, see, that's it. It won't come too much out. It will be within the lips, but then it will be in between the teeth like this. Okay, so now you remember this one. When we are pronouncing, these are all dental. Okay, that's why I said dental, because the tongue is between the teeth. The, th, the, dh, na. Okay, now these two, the first and the second, are unaspirated, and the second and the fourth one are aspirated, which gives more pressure. Aspirated is when you bring out lot of air pressure, right? And this is when you don't give much pressure. Soft sound. This is soft sound. The. Now Previous class when I did retroflex, those are retroflex. When I did n, when I did that, I gave in English a dot below. Okay, below the T I gave a dot, so it is retroflex. That is the letter which the tongue touches on the top roof of the mouth, that is the palate on top. So that is but this is the soft sound where I'm not having a dot below, and I'm going to pronounce it as th, which is dental. Okay, so understand the difference between t and th. Actually both have got this TA. T and the th both have got TA, but because I don't want to confuse you in the pronunciation, I have given here th. Okay, THA I have given. Otherwise, that THA has to come over here because it's a pressure sound. Now let us go with the words thread, thorn, thumb. Okay. Now the Hindi word, how we are going to pronounce and what is the meaning of it, I'll be giving with the images. Tarboos. Okay, tarboos is watermelon. Okay, watermelon is tarboos. The next one, takiya. Takiya is pillow. Pillow is takiya. The next one, tarazu. Tarazu is weighing scale. Weighing machine or weighing scale is called tarazu, where we weigh any object, no, what we weigh, that is tarazu. The next one, tabla. What is that? Tabla, the musical instrument is tabla. The next one, talwar. Talwar, that is sword. Sword is talwar. The next one is th. Okay, th. Now here it is in English we pronounced as thermos. Okay, thermos. But in American English we pronounce thermos like how we pronounce in Hindi. We say it as thermos, but in British we pronounce it as thermos. It's kind of a flask. Okay, the next one, bath. Okay, bath. This one, bath. The next one in Hindi, this is thermos. Thermos. Okay, thermos is, I said, a flask. The next one, thappad. Thappad. What is it? Slap. Slap. Okay, thappad. The next one, the. Okay, the. I said the vibration is here. The. That is Dehradun. Actually, in Hindi we say Dehradun. Okay, Dehradun is in Hindi. And this is Baghdad. Okay, Baghdad. These two are the places, Dehradun and Baghdad. For that, I have given here, see, for this I have given THA. Actually, it is THA. This is th, but I have given here THHA because you get the h sound. Th. That way the pressure comes out. Now here I have given DA, but it is the. When I keep a dot, it is the. Okay, but I have given you here the for you to understand. Now the Hindi one, dawat. Dawat, that is ink pot. Dawat. The next one, darwaza. Darwaza. Okay, darwaza is door. Door is darwaza. The next, dawa. Dawa, medicine. Okay, dawai khana means pharmacy. Dawa is medicine. Dahi. Dahi means curd. Curd. Okay, curd is dahi. Next one, das. Das. Das means 10. Okay, 10 is das. Now, let us go to the next one, the. Okay, the. Now, the English one is DHA. Actually, it should be, but I have given you to give more pressure, then it is DHHA. Okay, the. Now, here I have given in English Jodhpur. Jodhpur. Okay, the. Jodhpur and dharma. Dharma. Okay, Jodhpur and dharma. In Hindi, the words are dhanush. Dhanush means bow and dhan. Dhan means wealth. Okay, dhan means wealth. Now the next one, na. Now see here, in English I have given man, name, can, Anand. Okay, Anand. It's coming there. So man, name, can, and Anand. Now in Hindi you see null. Null. Null means tap. Null, tap. Namak. Namaka. Namak. Namak means, actually, where is this na place? It is placed just inside the teeth, on the inner part of the teeth. Here the tongue hits like null. Okay, null. Namak. Namak is salt. Nagar. Nagar. Nagar means town, city is called Nagar. The next one, Nadi. Nadi. Nadi means river. Okay, Nadi is river. Now you have understood the th, the dha, na. Okay, this, the dental sounds, you have got it. Now let me show how to write it. One stroke I'll teach you. This one. Then you go to the next step of going up. You go this way, go up and come down. Okay, you have to go up, upward direction, and then you have to come down. The next one, once you come that way, then you put the sleeping line on top. One more method is, just you put this way, put one line. Okay, like this and this. Or you can also put one more method. You can write go up, come here, and this way. Okay, one stroke. This is also one stroke. First a line, then you go up and come down like this. Okay, so that also I am showing you. Just see here, for one stroke, then another stroke like this, and then one line. Okay, 2-3 varieties I have taught you how you have to write. This is the next one, like it is like you put a like this, S the other way. When you generally you write S this way, but I am telling you to write S this way. Okay, just a curve. Now see here, I've given like this, right? Go like this, come down like this. Now in that you put a curve here, take it up, and actually it is this way. But then you cannot do drawings over here, right? So start with a curve, come like this, go up and bring it like this. I'll teach you now the step. First you come like this, go up, down, sleeping line. Okay, I hope you have understood how to do it. I've taught you a simple method for kids. When you're teaching, you can teach them the curves and all. So always it should have a round here, then only it is th. The next one, the, put a small standing line, then a C kind of thing, and bring like this. Okay, now let me show. First one standing line, then a semi-curve, then you bring in like this and like this. Okay, if you bring it more curving like this, it will be more beautiful. Like this, it look more nice. Okay, and then you put a sleeping line. Instead of putting straight, you just bring a small curve. It looks more nice to see, beautiful. Okay, the next one, same way you bring a curve, a semi-curve, and then a bigger one, then go up, come down, and then again a sleeping line. Remember, the ones which are curved like this will not touch fully. It will have the line only on the standing line. It will not cover full letter, it will not cover. So you have, I hope you have understood. It's quite simple to write. The next one, na. Na, how you write? take it like this. It looks just like a tap, right? So null is tap, remember. You take like this and go up and bring it down, okay? And then one line. There is another way of writing. There will be some people who will write like this, then they put a line and then a sleeping line. This also is fine, but generally we write na like this, or take it this way, put one line and then this. Now quiz is there, read it carefully. What I have given here, the words I've given, and those words are Hindi words. I've given in English, but they are actually Hindi words. Now you should be able to pronounce it right, because I had taught you all methods how to pronounce it, so you should be able to pronounce it right. And if you are able to get me the meaning also for this, it will be wonderful, well and good. Now I've given you here dot, just I had to explain to you the difference between me keeping a dot below a T and not keeping a dot below a T. So in case you're not able to know what it is, I've given in the bracket also another one what I gave in the previous video. Same way here also, the same way here I had given here one letter. In case you are getting confused with this, I have given here in the bracket. Here also I have done the same way. I have given in the bracket what it is, so you should be knowing exactly what I am trying to tell you, what word I am trying to tell. Now I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 words I have given in Hindi. Okay, these are all Hindi words, and every word here has got a meaning. So you should be able to identify what it is and give me the Hindi words. Okay, you people are quite smart. I have seen all of you immediately giving me the answers in the comment box. Even I am so thrilled to get those answers, and that too when it's correct. I am really overwhelmed with your response. Very nice for that. That's why it makes me to do more and more, think a lot to give what kind of quiz to give you. So really nice to know about it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, namaste.